COVID-19 dia na make say yare aba o yare de ka mo ma excuse kaka sika mo nyi sika bembi enso yare na yete akoto adura ba ya be ko etia yare na basia ba Mike basia ya to Russia less than $10 no man penya kufu ado ni ministers ya ba be je $90 adan ya mo de no mo koto free middleman no shake e Dubai and yet e na ka odi jobo kwa beto so afa $1 na $2 bi to swear $9 adan procurement law man fa so parliament kwa man fa nko eduro ni beduru Ghana kwa man fa nko food and drugs authority am man get test ansa na mo de Ghana for because you don't care about human life o person ni kumunya ni madu free painting no sika na mo pen ko na mo di akire nti anko abi and my abeta wo ye ni niti e ye duru na aduane na nko FDA for approval onye ho advert
but sadro no de e ba ye na nfa FDA
anko FDA
oh za
man do call parliamentary probe no members of parliament be say no say anko it is a poison and they work Ghana for omo nfa ho omo de sika na da so na Mike how now a serious matter like this and oforiaka would fear sika na da so to finance minister health minister no koya agreement na one fan parliament da so no Ghana for say empam omo no man penya kufu ado de here come or the khaki jokes and then we come with sika ni bia o
basa sika de ekoka mu no ma refund e de amaye ne
NDC boy no anya den ne e prove ne tie omo so nti ne ye kasa e wo se mutie ye because enye party something ne ye kasa o my name don't hear. Party 72 big can hear the 2024 year the same region about it. So we need to protect the public purse. There be a sika way nipa ka create air form. Somebody o mabusie ye no. Omodi bi hwe o girlfriends to adan no. Ye dey be na wo man no ye dia yem putu. Me na he ko hospital so mpo a. Ka ho kire wo ho. Empakura ni wo na yare fo da so be ko na penfo ne nkade da.
Okay.
So we are saying these things to stop some of these naked, broad daylight thievery so that you can be making the papa. And then lastly, about we so on the $100 million that you can give me $100 million equivalent to 600 million Ghana cedis, which is equivalent to 8 billion old cedis. And how to face mask. Okay. Hand sanitizer, keke. Any Veronica bucket, keke. Ediama secondary school for that 2021 year will be a school. 2021 year.
Okay.
Dang, Mike. How many secondary schools now Ghana? Our population, for you saying. Face mask, I'm watching the Chroma. You want to see the face mask, which I say, I'm afraid you. Veronica back at school, be a man. Hand sanitizer, Crebia Concuba. And no quaca, and I say trillion. Now the hand sanitizer, no, and the face mask, no, and the Veronica bucket, no, they are young gold, and the diamond, the Diana. You are so shameless. You are chopping it left, right, and center. Now you can't. Now when you could draw. Corruption.
But I na aban procurement. Sammy, ayana aban mu enhyehyeye in terms of say we procure and one maybe ache e distribute and no bo no ye de to eye ebu e market sa ho.
Aban de no kwa na ya efo no.
Example.
Yes, na my grade unim. Who individual no o kwa kwato ade na o mfi susua nti wonti mi negotiate ye baba ye kwa kwato face mask maza the more you buy the cheaper it is anameboa ebo akasa meboa
yeah and no wo ho
the more you are buying huge quantity then see as me say me kwa kwato nose mask face mask no me kwa kwato 1 million now my daddy o go kwa kwato 100. They know me no one be good price. Me a method do. If I buy fan was on yana fofofo. Na ye fra no ye to no traffic mu 1 cedi. And then box no box na e shemu bibiri no e shemu be 100. Uyi 10 cedis abeto mo traffic mo de bia me to bi. Now more, my cottage to a must could say, 6 billion.
See, and also most of us are more inflated.
That is why NPPC we are callers name social media for now. They must think twice.
Okay, Sammy, every need to make a face here.
See, social media for the crumple you are. Some of Bravo have money and Obama. They talk about the beautiful so. And so they are going to defend you almost in the name of cheap politics. Almost second in the Japan. If you ban a corner of my at least and your time could run away in America. What you could do better. No one is the idea defending.
Okay.
The wise men of our time, no. And Uncle use Nyansa. Omu use him dear no claim so they have no. And Uncle de Bua Ghana. And also de Buam Bushi and Omo de Buam community and Kagana Konenim. You know my problem with Ghanaian elites? They only know how to talk. Ghana for elites, no. Omo Mako school, no. The only man kasa. Chop it. Ya no de. What the chance in the manner or Kohwa or you're worse than the first person that was there. And now no power we miss me boo food. Now me boo food because me person will be a or Katechia free fano and number nani page tagging. Captain Smart tagging. Avram Bemoshe tagging. I'm telling you this because I know what I just saw. And now no my video be na me both now from me just say me ho tie me no. I had to come for 30 minutes and to lay certain things straight. Then no other than say me attack for free fan Captain Smart and say Jimmy for we no. Other than me attacking them, I'm going to attack the ordinary Ghanaian citizen. Ghana for no be where Jimmy Doto. Ghana for no be mama kwai ma yedimo just say yedimo Jimmy. Ghana for mama mo ho kwan Emma NDC MPP mempe na nado asem mempe mahama asem mempe si edun kete asem mempe ba wumi asem no mama enu na fama dwene mankwasiafo bi afase edi milk Ghana dry, and it pains me. You understand? It pains my heart. Say Ghana need to ho na ni nua Ghana ni abeka asem a kire no na asem obeka kire no oti opefe onim se enyampa. Now, so I say me when people, even those saying I'm Panamediadi. Me when this, even those saying I'm Panamediadi, Namadia propaganda. But in any case, yeah, propaganda, yeah, all these years. Etusumo propaganda secretary now they are dealing now. Where did it reach us? Where did we go? Where did we get to? Ghanaians, don't be stupid. The people of Ghana, do not be stupid. We have had A+ a first regime. Don't allow a second A+ in our body of politics again. Ghana for we have allowed A+ Jimmy part 1. Mama another Jimmy for be part 2. Bio mama former Jimmy no mo Jimmy so mo one and mama that Ghanaian citizen. And then many some kwasia for me and say we stupid fool dumb before we. Avam Jimmy Moshe, Avan Bayfo Moshe, and Susman, 2 million epemogentino, on Jimmy Nancy Bia, Mebauso. It took me a while, but your time will come. Avram Foolish Moshe, yes, my name is Felix Apia. I'm calling you, and I'm not calling you for fame, but I'm calling you to tell you, say, that your so-called common sense is the dumbest sense that can ever be found. Are you listening to me? You, this stupid Avambe Moshe, your stupidity, you cry the one who Jimmy and Boro Bio Gina platform. So. But it is sad, say, when you have few tricks to be, as if you care about Ghana, as if you say Ghana Koswama, and I would they say Ghana. They be able to pay the someone, and now certain people who me chinti. No, my country, so boy, any day, boy, any day, Jano. They be asked Steve-O, yes, or be ya me pay so me jinem na makase there be. But me who say Jimmy na open say with Jimmy Ghana for. Aban stupid Moshe. Avram Ben Jimmy Kwasiampeni Bem. I'm telling you this. If you are a man, motherfucker, go take care of your stupid kids. That's one. Utie, Avan stupid